Hi, Summer.
Hi.
Yeah, my name is Robert Tunui, clerk of works at Covo, Lavington. So today I'm going to take you through the progress of works that we've done for the past month in July.
Yeah.
We've done backfilling works to 100%. We've done casting of column bases to 100%.
On commercial section?
On the commercial side.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we have moved further to casting of basement 2 slab to 100%. We've done the formwork and reinforcement works for basement 1 to 100%. And we are now finishing up the formwork and reinforcement for basement 1.
All of these things are on commercial section,
all
right?
All these are on the commercial side, yes. So we are now standing on the residential side. On the residential side, we've been able to do the skin wall to 80%. We've also been able to do the retaining wall to 50%. We have done blending works for the reinforcements to 100%. And now the reinforcement for the raft side, we've also done 100%. We're waiting casting now. Yes.